My name is Vaidya Karanveer Singh. I'm going to present role of a standard and Arohan Matrabasti with the reference of Sheer Bala Tela in management of Vata Gridasi. My guide is Dr. Mulidhar Pajar. So first, introduction. Matrabasti is kind of a snare basti in which the quantity of a snare is very minimal. It is easy to administrate and avoid the complication. Irrespective of age and sex, one can undergo this treatment and hardly any restriction in diet and vihara is required. It has no special contraindication as such and can be practiced on OPD basis. The commentator of Sharandar Samhita advised that Matrabasti can be also administered in increment dose pattern starting from 72 ml, starting from 24 ml and ending 9th day 72 ml. If the schedule is followed, then procedure is cost effective and increment dose may have best efficiency in the treatment. There may be a chance of retention, absorption and assimilation of snare is more. Considering the all above point, the study is planned to evaluate this dosage schedule for the period of 9 days. The purpose of this study is to evaluate the efficiency of a Sheer Bala Tel Matrabasti given in fixed doses in the management of Vata Gridasi. To evaluate the efficiency of a Sheer Bala Tel Matrabasti given in Arohan dose, given in incremental dose and management of Vata Gridasi. To compare the effects of both groups, determine which Matrabasti schedule is better in providing the relief to the patient. Methods. Source of data. 30 patients are selected from the IPD and OPD of SGM Ayurveda College, Hassan. Method of collection of data. Patients who are fulfilling the criteria of diagnosis, inclusion and exclusion criteria is setted. Diagnostic criteria. Patient with the classical features of Vata Gridasi having the Lakshana like Stamba, Ruka, Tod, Kati, Purushta, Aura, etc. are selected. Inclusion criteria. Patient of age group between 20 to 60 years of either sex, chronically less than 2 years are selected. And exclusion criteria. Patients suffering from Ajirna, Agnimanda, case of TB, malignancy, surgical indication are excluded from this study. Research design. 30 patients who were fulfilling the criteria Vata Gridasi were randomly divided into two groups. AMB group and SMB group, Arohan Matrabasti group and Standard Matrabasti group. Arohan Matrabasti group, the patient is the group were administered Arohan Matrabasti given with the Sheer Bala Tel. The first day the dose Matrabasti was 24 ml only. It was increased by 6 ml every day and the 9th day the 72 ml was the dose. This is a tabular form how we implement this study. The first day you can see 24 ml, second day 30 ml, so on 9th day it ended with 72 ml. The standard Matrabasti group, the patient with the standard Matrabasti administered Matrabasti standard dose practiced normally had 72 ml Sheer Bala Tel was given as to 9 days. So results, I am coming on results. The results obtained from the above study revealed that SMB provided better relief than AMB group in all subjective and objective criteria, except the Spandana. In follow-up to the study, AMB group was not maintained the result and condition get aggravated, whereas SMB group patient got good relief in signs and symptoms. Thus, it is very clear from the above study that both the group provided significant relief except the Vata Rakta Scopus test, both which indicates anatomical degenerative. SMB schedule of Basti showed good improvement during the study and follow-up. But AMB schedule has shown the relief, but it is not maintained in the follow-up. Hence, the certainly concluded that standard Matrabasti can be best practiced and can give good significant relief in Vata Gridasi than Arohan Matrabasti for a period of 9 days, which was studied in presentation and clinical trial. So this is the, you can see overall comparative result in both groups. You can see the Unchanged is only in A and B group, but fully cured is only denoted in SMB group. So this is a study which evaluates this fact that SMB group is having the more relief than rather than AMB group. This is the comparative after follow-up and before. So these are the Rukh, the tenderness, Stamba. This is the diagrammatic presentation for AMB and SMB both groups. So conclusion, standard Matrabasti therapy provides better relief in all the clinical parameters such as Rukh, tenderness, Stamba, Spandana, Vat Rakta, positive ISLR test, so on. On the other hand, Arohan Matrabasti therapy provided minimum relief in comparison with standard Matrabasti in all the parameters except the Stamba. Both the schedules of Matrabasti adopted for the study provided significant relief in the sign of symptoms patient of a Vata Gridasi, but the comparison showed that standard Matrabasti showed better relief in the comparison to Arohan Matrabasti. Hence, it can be concluded that standard Matrabasti schedule which is being to practice can be continued for the treatment of Gridasi as it provides better efficiency than Arohan Matrabasti. I would like to express my special thanks of gratitude to my guide, Dr. Mulidhar Pujar, who gave me this golden opportunity to present this study. I really thankful to Dr. Mohammad Fiaz, Principal Investigator. I would like to pay my gratitude to all who was involved in this comparative study. Thank you.